Hey everybody, Chad here with Kids at Mobile Home Outfitters. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change out your Broan 688 bath fan. So this Broan bath fan, the cover's broken, it's not even there as you see, and it won't fire up. So when I flip the switch, I get nothing, absolutely nothing. So let's go over a couple of details about finding out if it's the fan, make sure you get power to your switch, things like that. So what you want is an electrical tester similar to this one, made by Milwaukee. Everybody makes them. And you want to make sure, one, that the power's off when you get up there to change the fan, but two, that you have power to the switch. So on the bottom of the switch here, we have power. When I flip the switch on, we have power. Flip it off, we have no power. So that's telling me that we're at least getting power through the switch. It's not the switch, it's the bath fan. Most likely this is an original bath fan. I'm gonna flip it on, and what happens is the motor just finally quits. So when I test up here, we have power. So that's a good sign. So now we know that it's the motor. So we sell at the shop, we sell the 688 Broan fan for this model. This is a side exhaust fan for your bathroom here. And what I like about this one, and with any model, is you buy the full kit. You can buy motors, we sell motors, but if you buy all of it, you'll have a new cover and you'll have the motor and everything with it. But you can't a la carte it. This is one of the easiest motors to replace here. So first you're gonna do is no power, unplug it. It looks like a standard plug. And then you're going to get it to release. One side is different than the other, and I can show you a little bit easier on here. So there's a single prong, and then there's double prong on the other side. So we'll get it started. And because I'm trying to show you, it's not gonna hit the single. There we go. Unplug, and tip out. That's the housing right there. So we don't need the case. We're gonna just steal the guts out of it and pop this one down. As you can see, it just matches right up. Everything's golden. See if we can get this little one to pop out here. As you can see, this guy, it's really hard for me to even turn it. This one spins nice and easy. This one has 30 years of gunk, and it doesn't really want to spin anymore. So that's why the motor has kind of gone bad. These should be cleaned once a year for fire safety. You definitely want to try to keep your motor clean just by popping the grill off and all that stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to just pop it up there real quick and make sure that it works, and then I'm going to take it out. I'm going to vacuum it all up, make sure it's pretty. So reverse of the way we just did, 2 prongs, pop that in there, that up in there, and then we'll good to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish. I'm going to take this down, we're going to vacuum it real quick. Make sure the housing's nice and clean since we're in here. And then put it all together. Sometimes it's hard to take it out. Alright, so before we finally install, if you need to use this case, you can. It's a lot more work to replace the housing because it was put in before the sheetrock was, but it is replaceable if something's wrong with it. But if you do need to steal more ports off it, you can steal your wind flipper here, which I'm making sure it's in place and it works. This is going to stop the cold air from blowing from the rooftop down back into the fan. So make sure that that is in your current one. If you need the plug, you can actually take this plug off of here. It's super easy. And if you need to replace the one that you have, you can pop that out still without replacing the housing. But this one's in good working order, so we're not going to do anything with that. So all you got left is your motor housing, which just pops right back up into place. Now that we've cleaned it and checked the flapper, both of those are good. Pop that up, plug our fan in. Then we got our new grill. These are spring loaded, so you want to squeeze them in. They go right inside these holes right here. So I like to start on one side like that. Grab the other side and work it towards you. And just like that, you have replaced your fan without too much hassle. So there you go, that's the Broan 688 fan here at Kitsap Mobile Home Outfitters. You can find it online all the time at our website, kitsapmobilehomeoutfitters.com. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have a good day.